Okay, so we have my 57 plate V50, my little baby, and the problem I'm having at the moment is when the car's unlocked, that's unlocked, the boot switch isn't working. So what I'm going to do is show you how to fix it. Now, I've searched on loads of videos on YouTube already, and a lot of them have told me to, well, not me, but a lot of them have said on the V50 and the S40, which are apparently similar, you have to remove all this trim, all the plastic at the bottom to get to the locking mechanism, and all the wires to open the boot, to get to the wires at the top, which is absolute nonsense. I've done all that, ended up breaking my trim, and I did some more research and found out a way that I can tell whether it's just the switch or not. So that's what I'm going to show you. First thing you need to do is get right under here, and you will see 4 of these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you need to take them off. Yeah, so when you've got that off, you just push on that piece in there, and there, and you should be able to gently wiggle that off. And that's removed. Now what I discovered on a forum is if you look in there, you've got 2 metal connectors in there. Get a small bit of wire and short them. If it's the switch, it should click open, and that's it. Now you know it's the switch. So I'm going to open up, show you the rest. Okay, so now you've got this bit off. What you need to do is gently remove this rubber seal, but do it carefully, because if that rips, then the water's going to get in. Okay, next job is to remove the switch, and you do that by starting to remove all of these 6 to get the lights off, and this cover for the switch. And this light here. Okay, and those screws actually hold in the switch, so you have to take them out before you try and remove it. Now, removing the switch is quite simple, just got to be careful when you're doing it. I'll just zoom in. It's literally just a case of gently trying to slide it out. There you go. There's one corner. Got to be so careful, because it always feels like it's going to break. It's very awkward. Just don't rush. There we go. That slides out, and that is what's causing the problem. Switch So here's the new switch. Part number for this one, I'm not too sure, but I found someone on eBay. New switch was $21.95 including delivery, so obviously a lot cheaper than getting Volvo to do it. So let's have a look at it. There she is, new switch. So just slide that one back in. Make sure it's the right one. Yep. Click in. And now I'm just going to reverse everything that I've just done, and then we'll see if it works at the end. See you in a bit. I might rub that down actually, because it's a bit dirty there. Kind of glad I did that. That was pretty minging. That's pretty disgusting. Okay. Upside down. Okay. So that's all back there together. So I'm going to get it back in, see if it works. Fingers crossed. Okay. So reconnect. And screw it back in. Okay guys, moment of truth. And there you go. So if you've got a problem with your boot not open, try the switch first before you take the car apart, because it saves you a lot of energy and a lot of money. And that's it. Hope it helps someone.